Welcome to the show, everybody. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. You need this rubber grommet now. You really do. I've been looking high and low for one. You can get it on Amazon for your jacks. You know, your pump jacks for your cars. It works perfect for small format, large format, any cylinder you can pin on this or press on caps. Let's get into the show. Large format, small format, you need this pinning rubber grommet. I've been looking all over for rubber grommets to put underneath my Lab IC Pro 150. And here it is. It goes to my, let me get over here. It goes to my jack. And this goes on right here on this jack post. And you pump it up and lift your cars up. I can't hardly believe it. It's perfect for large format IC cores. I have a small format right here, but look at this, look at this. Fits right in there on here and press down the top caps on a large format. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends for more door and lock tips like this. I'm going to make a video that's longer telling all about this stuff. Please hit that super thanks. See you soon.